Neatly organize your non-rack mountable equipment in your rack or cabinet with a NavePoint 4-post shelf. NavePoint's catalog of 4-post shelves includes sliding shelves, adjustable shelves, and adjustable rails. All NavePoint 4-post shelves are EIA ECA 310E compliant and are guaranteed to fit your 19-inch rack or enclosure. NavePoint's 4-post shelves have an attractive black powder coat finish that protects from rust and corrosion and are manufactured using a high-quality cold-rolled steel. NavePoint sliding shelves slide out to allow for easy access to your equipment for both maintenance and cleaning. These shelves only take up one rack unit of space, and NavePoint's various sliding shelves range in shelf extension from 9 to 14.25 inches. Our sliding shelves also allow adjustability in depth and are designed with ventilation for cooling. They offer a lip on the rear edge of the shelf to prevent your equipment from slipping. Weight capacities of our sliding shelves vary from 77 to 99 pounds. NavePoint sliding shelves are offered in two series, the Access Plus and the Access Premier. Our 4-post adjustable shelves are quite adaptable, allowing you to mount your shelf at virtually any depth from 13.75 inches to 41.75 inches. NavePoint carries two series of adjustable shelves, the Standard Series and the Heavy Duty Series. The Standard Series shelves have a weight capacity of 110 pounds, are designed with venting for cooling of equipment, and do require some minor assembly. The Heavy Duty Series come fully assembled, have a larger load capacity of 265 pounds, and also are designed with venting for cooling and possess a lip on the rear edge of the shelf to keep your equipment from sliding off. NavePoint adjustable rails are great for mounting your server in your 4-post rack or enclosure. They only take up one rack unit of space and adjust, allowing you to mount at virtually any depth from 16 to 33.25 inches. NavePoint adjustable rails are offered in both standard and full depth design. All of our 4-post shelves include mounting hardware, allowing you to easily mount your shelf to a rack or enclosure. Get free shipping when you purchase your networking equipment and accessories at NavePoint.com, providing premium quality, value, and service excellence. NavePoint.com.